How to add a profile photo on PayPal. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add a profile photo on PayPal. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open PayPal. Now once you are on the home page, tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see the camera icon right here. Just tap on it and you will get three options. Just tap on choose existing photo if you want to select from gallery. You can also tap on take new photo if you want to take right at the moment. For now, let me just choose existing photo. Tap on it and choose from your gallery. Okay, once you choose it, you can just adjust it like this as well. Once you adjust it, tap on this choose right here and tap on continue, and just like that your profile picture will be updated. And that's it. This is how you add a profile photo on PayPal. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.